In this video, I will be showing you how to log in a ChatGPT account. First, you need to go to any web browser and kind of type openai.com. Click this one here. It will take you directly into this page, and this is what ChatGPT looks like. So we have here introducing ChatGPT. Kindly click try ChatGPT and it will take you into this where you need to log in or sign up. If you have an existing account, all you have to do is to click login. If you don't have, like me, I need to sign up. So click sign up and they need a valid email address. So all you have to do is to type it here and then click continue. And then you need to type your password. Always make sure that this is a unique and strong password. And then after that, all you have to do is to click continue again. And that's it. Now that you have created your own account, you can now start using ChatGPT. To start, type your name and your last name, and then you can now start using ChatGPT. You can ask anything here in ChatGPT. This is very beneficial and useful, especially for the students and for those who are working. If you want to research about something, all you have to do is to ask ChatGPT. And this is how they generate answers for you. That's how to log in or sign in ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. See you again in our next video.